Okay, for a bird, for an extra for bird, we're going to do, put the plate in, we have the bird here. I'm going to measure chest.
So what I've done is I've given him an injection.
And it's coming up as a 10, 11. So for 11, what I'm going to do is go to the chart. 11 is going to give me 5 and 82. I got it set at 5, and I've got 82 for the KVP. And then to get them to stay still and spread out, I'm going to put tape across the wings to hold them out. Colonnade down, where it's just the bird body. And the wings are in, just for the full thing, so then I can go ahead and take the picture. Alright, and after that's done, take this one out and further processed. The next plate in, that is for the VD. And now we're going to switch the bird over. The body.
Well, yeah, but I hope what I've done will get it going.
And we'll try and take down as close as we can.
That's where I am with that, okay? And go home, whatever you want to, whatever works for you.
Same positioning, make sure colonnade down, where it's just the body. It's taped down, and then we can step away and take the picture. And the same measurements. There we go. And then for extremity, we would bring it down. The extremities would be so small, down to like a 1, which would be 55 and 58. And we would hold the wings back, get the legs out, colonnade down. Here's just the one leg. Hair feathers are on the way. This was a live bird. And then you take pictures of the legs.